Choosing the right eyebrow brushes is really important to, first of all, make sure that you buy a slanted small brush. You can buy it in hair and you can get synthetic, just as long as you remember. If it is hair, make sure it's quite stiff and it's not soft, because what we're trying to achieve is getting really nice sharp points going up and into the arch and down and into the point. So it's really important to make sure you're buying a nice slanted brush like these. Now these are what I brush through my eyebrows with. They're amazing. They are great for blending pencils that are in your brows, and they're also really good for powders. So after you've applied your actual eyebrow pencil or your powder, what you can do is you can use this as a brush to just brush it through. What that does is it actually helps blend. Now, there's also 2 different sizes in these, so just keeping in mind, if you've got really big eyebrows like myself, you would use the bigger brush. If you've got smaller eyebrows, then you would use the smaller brush. Liquid liner brushes are great. They're made usually either synthetic or with hair. They're very thin, and what you want to definitely look out for is to make sure that it has a really sharp point on the end. If you see that the end is not pointy, then you don't want to get that brush. You want to make sure that it does have a pointy end, because as you are applying your liquid liner over the lid of your eye, you want to make sure the brush is easy for application. So pop it into your pod of water and pot or gel, it could be gel as well, and you just pop it over your eyes. Now you can come and watch one of our liquid eyeliner lessons to learn how to do that, but please make sure when you are purchasing a liquid liner brush that it is nice and pointed and not too long on the end either. To make use of your brushes, you can use your blush brush as your contouring brush. One of my favorite brushes is the little fan brush. Now, as you can see, it's shaped perfectly to the shape of our contour. So just here. So what we want to do with that is when you're putting it into the bronzer, you want to just really lightly just blend in. Now, I'll be teaching you how to do that on your course. And what this does is it can actually make your face appear a lot thinner. So I love the fan brush. Now, as for this brush here, once again, it is a blush and a contouring brush, but it's slanted, as you can see. Now, with the slant, this is perfect for people that are always in a rush. They just want to pop it on their cheeks, blend it up and down, and they're good to go. And one of our classic blush brushes is just the basic. This is just shaped like a dome, and it's really easy to use. All you do is pop it into your product, give yourself a big smile, and just pop it onto your cheeks. So these 3 brushes, you can use them for all those applications, and they're very, very easy to use.